Hi, let's see a new FineOps tools, and this time it will be AWS Pricing Calculator. First, AWS Pricing Calculator allows you to estimate the cost of AWS products and services, understand the services pricing by configuring the options, and you can also share and export your estimates. What are the different steps? First, you connect to this link, calculator.aws. Then you create an estimate and you select your service here, such as EC2. You can search service here and then click on configure. Then you configure the options for your service, such as family type and size, CPU, memory, but also payment option, such as compute savings plans, EC2 instance savings plans, or on-demand or spot. And at the end, you can review the estimate. You have the total number here, your monthly cost, and you can share and export your estimate.